Okay, we have a 1986 Chevy Scottsdale 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive. The best thing about this truck is it has spent its entire life in the high desert of Central Oregon, a very dry climate. So this truck has no rust on it anywhere. It has the original rocker panels, cab corners, all the sheet metal. There is no rust or scale to speak of anywhere. I've owned the truck for over 20 years. It was originally a 6.2 diesel. When I got it, it was already converted to gas. It has a 350 in it. The nice thing about being a diesel is that it has a bigger cooling system, hydro boost, power brakes, and some extra sound deadening. So it's a nice combination. Recently, the truck's had a lot of new tires, brakes, belts, hoses, alternator, distributor, fuel pump, carburetor, a lot of just a full kind of going over. Everything works really well. There's a new interior, power windows, power locks, air conditioning with a new air conditioning compressor. The current engine, transmission, rear end, transfer case have around 50,000 miles on them. Runs really strong, 50 pounds of oil pressure, which is great, and runs really cool, about 170 degrees no matter what. 4-wheel drive works really well. It's just a great driving truck. It's ready to go to a car show or just have a nice thing to cruise around town in. Yeah. Windows, locks, new actuators in the locks. The factory clock works. It does have an aftermarket CD player, radio, aftermarket gauges. They are way more accurate than the factory gauges. Tilt wheel, delay wipers, trailer brake controller. It is all set up for towing. And it's a new dash, new seat cover. Interior's really nice shape. Okay, a little bit about the drivetrain. It's a 350 small block. It has an RV cam, Edelbrock Performer intake, Edelbrock 625 CFM carb with an electric choke. Works really well. Doug Thorley headers, Flowmaster exhaust. It's a factory 410 gears, a turbo 400 transmission with a mild shift kit. It's a pretty strong setup all around.